Today I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram business account.
Okay, so we're on Instagram. We want to create a business account. So what we want to do is go to the bottom of the page. You'll see our profile picture here. We want to go ahead and at the top, you'll see a username. Tap on the username. You'll see all of your existing accounts. Here, you want to click on add Instagram account. Here, we're going to say create new account. And over here from this page, you will begin by creating a username. Go ahead, click on next. Here, you can create a new Instagram account in this account center. So if you have multiple pages that you would like to manage, you can do that over here. If you don't want to connect it to this account center, you can actually just say no, use mobile number or email address, and just create the account or the page right over there. You'll now have to agree to their terms of service and their policies. You'll have the option to add a profile picture. Go ahead and add one or skip for now. This is now the welcome page. Go ahead and tap anywhere to get started. You'll go through a process where they kind of take you through wanting to connect your contacts, following certain types of pages and so forth. But you can skip all of this, and basically at this point you've already got your Instagram page.